Hey everyone, I am Miss Crystal, the CEO and founder of Sisters Braid 2, hair braiding and natural hair care salon located in Detroit, Michigan. And right now I'm getting ready to do a spring twist on my client. I am using Rua, I think that's number 51. Yep, 51, and then in the purple. Right now I'm just stretching out the hair, getting it ready. I'm braiding it in maybe about 2 or 3 times. You really want to lock in spring twist hair because it can be slippery and you don't want it to slip out of your client's head or to just loosen. You want them to get a good 4 to 6 weeks out of this style before having to return. And so, yep, I'm braiding it down, locking it in with some gel. And she didn't want them too small. So these are medium spring twist. And again, just putting some product on the root, twisting down. This was the finished look. I really liked how the two colors came together nicely. If you want more information about this style, want to learn how to do it, feel free to check us out at our upcoming event, which is a workshop and vendor expo. We'll be sharing that information. This is the edge control I used. I really like this. You can grab this from our site. It does not leave a white waxy look. It's a great shine too. Here's more information about our workshop and vendoring expo. Click on our website and all the information is there for you. Spread the word and we hope to see you all there.